Shay and Ryan, this is Mark with Not Square Design in Butte, Montana. Numbers 940-654-0617. Or you can always email me, mark@knottystudios.com. That's KNOTTYSTUDIOS.com. Or you could look up Not Square Design in Butte and look at my contact page. Any way to get hold of me. But I'm looking at framing out the porch, the covered porch, and looking at doing it with trusses. And I've got this in a plan view here where you can see I've got at each of the ridge a truss. When I'm laying this out, I have to move these over slightly in this segment. These are on 24 centers. This middle one's a little more than 24, so I'll just do a little shift. I don't think it matters whether or not these really hit the same spot on that top portion. But in 3D, got something that's a little interesting. And I'm kind of, looking to see what you guys feel as the builders and the framers. If you would like to see me take this portion, basically mirror it around to this side, so they'll come out this direction, continuing from here. Just this 24 on center on up with these trusses to match like that. Or if we look at this other side, this is an interesting way of framing it too. Just like with the other, I still do have just a standard trusses over the entry piece here. Don't worry about these gaps and that sort of stuff. It's just I haven't got everything set up completely. In fact, it's even showing an energy heel on the covered porch, which of course we don't need. So those will be flattened out. But what was interesting is these are all straight through. And when we get over to this side, instead of turning to go with the fascia at 45 degrees and then turning it 90 to come over to this side, instead it's got parallel cord trusses at 24 on center. And just wanting some feedback on what you think would be just for you guys to frame. Kind of looks really easy from here, but this is actually, as you can see, it is a flat plane until you get to that ridge. And so it's kind of deceiving here, as if you could keep the plywood running, but you can't, because you change to a different pitch here. Well, it's the same pitch, but at a different angle. And then again, it shifts here. So a little deceiving, but nonetheless interesting. And wanted to see and get a take on what you guys felt would be the way you would prefer that I frame this out for you. Give me a call, Mark, Not Square Design, at 940-654-0617. Thank you. Bye.